Okay, okay, in the last bit, you remember we plotted this. Let me click it again. Okay, it's doing its thing. In the last bit, we we click this button and we got a line graph. As you can see, I'm doing it again. Yep, and this looks absolutely lovely, like I said. And my question now, what if we like to do something else? We like to have like maybe a bar chart, a bar graph. What do we need to do? So all we need to do is to get a bar graph with our imports matplotlib. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some script underneath here. So this script now plus the bar, but I don't want to see the line chart. I'm just going to comment that out. And this is what I want to see. So let's see how this goes. I can click the Python button up or the down, remember. Let's see. All right, so it's doing its thing. What do we have here? Yeah, look, as you can see, it has plotted the two together. This is absolutely difficult to achieve if you're using Excel alone, and I would just say the use cases are kind of endless. You can do whatever you want to do now. You have the powers in your hands to do more inside of Excel. All right, so this wraps up our uses of Python, ePython, in our new advanced, yes, simple to advanced features that we have all logged in into our e-intelligence system. From eSQL, we used it to manipulate different sheets. We can use it to manipulate different sheets. In the series of this video, I showed you how you can write SQL from the beginning to a different sheet, and you can get the result or filter the result without using formulas. We have lots of projects out there that we've done. Then the next bit, I showed you how you can write SQL. SQL, making calculation with SQL using this first bit here to run your query. So I did say I'm going to dive into SQL database after Python. Just so you know, if you want to use R, you can also use R. Our syntax is quite easy to use. Our R is still in beta, and we're still developing it now, but it's for you to use it to see how it is. If we like to use R now, I can use an example to just say print 2 multiplied by 100. Let's see what this gives. So in this one, I'm going to use R to do this, and I'm going to be clicking on R button here. As you can see, R is at the top and R at the bottom. Okay, I'm going to click R now. So it brings out, look at R, it brings out R interface. The pop-up was R, and it prints out the result as an R output. So what do we have here? As you can see, this is my version of R, and this is the result. 2 multiplied by 100 gives us 200, and that's how you can use R. So the advanced feature is currently working more on the Python. R is still developing, but you can run light scripts on R in Excel. So absolutely wonderful. We've been able to kind of wrap Python and R in one session in this video. As I can see, we've used the first tab, which is SQL. We've not used any database stuff, and we're going to use it shortly. We've not also showed you how the graph works. I'm going to demo that shortly. And let's see the next bit. We used Python, and the last tab here is just to click on it. It brings the user interface where you can click on eSQL on Sheets. I can click on it now. As you can see, just bring on this. That's all. So this is the walkthrough, and the next video I'm going to demo how we can go run SQL into a cloud database, our database of choice. And the next video is going to be Dataverse, which is kind of sits under SQL Server. All right, thank you, and see you on the next video. Bye.